Recently, a lot of these VS Code extensions are going viral because they play funny sound effects whenever you get an error on the terminal. But what if you want a custom sound effect of your own choice that you can also keep changing whenever you want? Well, that's why I built a better extension called Terminal Sound Effects. Download it and choose any audio file of your choice to play when an error comes. You can also just put a link of the audio file you want to use, and it comes with a built-in library of popular sound effects. It's open sourced with a detailed architecture below. Check out the extension, have fun, maybe even check out the repo if you want to learn something.